Welcome back to another video, guys. So obviously you guys know what we have going on here. We got some bunk tires that need to get replaced, so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on the SUV. Hopefully they all fit. They should fit, and then we'll get the tires on there. I'll show you guys the tires in a little bit, but let's get these loaded. And here is my new meat. Check it out. I went ahead and got the Federal 595 RSRs. I was gonna run the RRs, but I was like, actually I did get RRs, except I got them in the wrong size. So sent them back, decided to go with the Rs, just hopefully get a little bit more longevity out of them, since the other ones were gonna, you know, run out pretty quick. But this is what we're running. These are 265 35 R18s, so should look pretty meaty, pretty aggressive, and that's kind of what I'm going for. And obviously a lot more traction, especially hot summer days that we're gonna have ahead. So I already got all I have 3 of them in Kylie, so I just need to put this last one in, and then we'll go get them mounted and balanced, and obviously should fix that stock looking WRX over there. But let's go ahead and throw this on the cart and go get them mounted. So this is the current situation. We got 2 up here, we got all 4 wheels and tires back here, and then we have 1 more in the trunk, so we're missing 1. But I'm just gonna go ahead and drop these off first, and then go ahead and come back and get the other one after I drop these off. Obviously that way I can just come and get the other one. The tire shop is closing out, so that's the plan. Hopefully it's not as super expensive to just mount and balance these, but damn, it's gonna suck if it is. But anyways, let's go ahead and head out to the tire shop. We got the new meat on the wheels now, so all we have to do now is install them, and we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, and here she is with a lot more meat than she used to have. These are 265 35 R18s. I used to have the 255s, so a little bit more meat, hopefully a lot more grip because of the tire. Obviously stickier tire, what's supposed to be stickier tire compared to the Falken Azenis FK 510s. Those are like all season, these are more summer performance. So and she looks a little bit more aggressive. Obviously this time I will get aligned, that way we don't have any more tire issues, premature wear, any of that stuff. So she's got all 4 tires on. Now let's go ahead, take her out for a test drive, see how they feel. guys have it. Few little turns and twisties, nothing too major. Maybe next time I'll drop something a little bit more crazy, but for now I think that's gonna do the trick. Obviously you guys can see they do feel a lot stickier than the other ones, that's for sure. And let me get you guys a close-up. Obviously this is, I've already broke them in. I didn't want to do that while not breaking them in, or else there's like this film around it, you know, then you would have been all over the place. So make sure you break them in before you try anything crazy. Obviously that wasn't too crazy, but it'll get the job done. I like them a lot. Maybe in the future I would like to compare them to the RRs. I'll probably get the RRs on the project car, which you guys will probably find out soon. I mean, if you guys would, you know, just support the channel a little bit, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That I would appreciate it a lot. Hit the like button. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what else I should do to this beast. Obviously I've got a few things planned, not sure yet. I don't know if I want to do exhaust, like catback exhaust. Right now it just has J-pipe and muffler delete, so I want to do an exhaust, maybe Tomei, maybe Nvidia, I don't know yet, not sure. Maybe some more carbon fiber parts, don't want to mention what else, but hint hint. I don't know, big brake kit, better wheels. I don't know about the wheels. I'll probably leave them on for a little bit longer. Got to put money into the project car, so the project car needs the wheels first, and then maybe I do want to change the color scheme a little bit, get rid of the red, go for something a little bit more hot boy. I think I need to black those out. It's been a while. I need to, you know, different color, the sponsors, you know. I don't know, let me know, give me some ideas down below. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.